Let's do a quick look around the inside here. There's the bed. That's a brand new 9-inch memory foam mattress. It's full queen. You got a vent over the bed, good for ventilation. There's a lot of command hooks on the walls for hanging jackets and things we used. Those come off real easy and don't leave a mark. It's got a new carbon monoxide alarm. There's the sink. This has you have a sprayer on here, so you have you can hit this button here and it sprays, or the other button, it just comes out like a regular faucet. You can pull it out. It comes out farther than that, but it's cold right now and doesn't want to move. And I'm not going to force it because I don't want to break anything. You got a 3-burner stove. Front burner is a high power one so that it can heat stuff fast. There's a spice rack. Got lots of storage in these overhead cupboards. Oh, rubber band I missed. All these lights in the ceiling and that one are all LEDs. The small lights under here are also LEDs. These are not. I have not found a replacement for those yet. This wire going into the stereo is for the sound from the TV. So you have 4 speakers in the ceiling up here. So you have plenty of good sound coming off the TV. Otherwise, the regular TV speakers sound terrible. And that is a 12-volt TV. It's got a built-in DVD player. We have a convection microwave oven. You can use it for either way, convection or microwave. Good size freezer. Works great. Keeps ice cream like it should. And a nice size fridge. You got storage underneath both of these seats. And you have a LP gas alarm down there that's still good. You got storage in behind here, plus the connections for wiring and stuff for things that are in here. That's a good place to keep, like we would keep the extra paper plates, cups, napkins, things like that in there. This is the pantry. So you got a full 4 shelves, slides all the way out, and locks. This is the lock for it. You got a voltmeter right here, showing 13.2 volts. The sun is hitting the solar panels on the front end of the camper, so it's lighting up pretty good. You got a oversized bunk down here, and a single size up here. Your closet. And there's a shelf in the corner, and that little blue light there, that's the double USB charge port. There's one at that bunk, one on this bunk. My daughter put a piece of tape over the blue light. So you have the shelf, you can lay your glasses, books, whatever you're charging up, you can lay on there. This is the light switch for the This one, the LEDs are kind of dim. That's just so they're not so bright when they wake them up in the middle of the night. Bathroom, shower. Lots of command hooks in here for hanging towels and whatever, and a soap rack. And you got the Oxygenics shower head that all the RVers rave about. I'll show you something with the light. You'll notice one side is dimmer than the other, and we did that on purpose. So, you know, if you're in here during the day and it's cloudy or whatever, you need a little bit of light, or in the evening, you can leave it this way. But when you get ready to go to bed at night, switch it to the dim one. And then when you come in and hit the light switch in the middle of the night, you have a dim light. It doesn't wake you up so much. It's a split bath, so you have a sink out here, and the red stuff in the sink is the RV antifreeze. Turn the light on. Medicine cabinet. Towel bar. Outlet. Runs off the 110. If you're plugged into shore power or using a generator, you'll notice underneath the table that, blurry, there's an outlet down there. Well, there's actually 3 outlets down there. At each end is a USB charge port. The one in the middle is a 110, but that one runs off of, you see where it says, 13.1 over there? That's an inverter. So that's converting the 12 volt to 110, and it runs through that outlet right there. So you have that. Plus, this is not for storage. You can use it. I didn't say that, but it's up to you. You got storage there. You got 4 drawers over there. You've got a small pull-out shelf. Still has the factory plastic on it. Never been used. So there's your living arrangements. And the little Sony stereo. You can play CDs in it. So you can play your CDs in here, your DVDs over there. These hooks here are actually where I have an old cell phone that I use as an MP3 player. And I'll hang that in there and put a little cord into it, plug into that so I can play MP3s if I want music. If I'm watching TV, I plug this into it. And here's your water heater on and off. Here's your monitor station showing that there's nothing in the tanks actually. I don't know why it's showing that, probably because of the cold and condensation. And there's your water pump. I've got a hook on the wall for the awning rod to operate the awning, and your light switches for the inside, light switches for the outside. And we would just hang our door keys right here on that hook, and all those can be removed. I can take them off if you don't want them. And you got storage up front, cupboards over the top, drawers on the side, cupboards on the sides. You got your vents down here for your central heat. There's your air conditioning. You've got central air. You've also got what's called a dump valve, in case you don't know what that is. So when your air conditioner comes on, you really want to cool the place down fast, you hit that and it just blows straight into the middle here and starts it going. Or leave it for the outer ones. So you got one in the bathroom, one over the beds back there, this one here, one up front. So you have central air and it cools everything evenly. This RV was made by a company that previously was doing just toy haulers, and I actually have a friend that has one almost just like it that's a toy hauler. And so that's why this sign is here. And that's about, your gas in here and your vehicles in here, and you can't put any vehicles in here. There's just no way. It's no longer a toy hauler. Oh, the hooks here is where we were hanging our hot pads for cooking. Looks like it needs to be swept again, but that's okay. We can do that. That's easy. So there you go. A video tour of your next camper.